I'm Ravi, so I'm from Sanketica. I have started my career as a web developer, gradually moved up to an architect who is currently working in national scale platforms. The journey has been exciting. I have been part of various startups, some as a founding engineer, some as a core team member. Most of what I do is solve the technical challenges. So before Finternet, I was in Europe for a while, have been working as a core engineering member for another company where the responsibility is to run the systems without having a downtime. Before that, I was part of a startup here in Bangalore where I was a founding engineer. There we are also trying to solve societal problems using technology. So at Sanketica, we have been with the entire ecosystem from a decade. We have been working on Xstep and most of the DPI products in India. So we have been deeply involved in India stack, be it Sahmati, CDPI, co-develop, and with NPCI as well. Currently, Sanketica has been the core engineering partner for Finternet as well as Beacon and Networks for Humanities. Everywhere, what excites us is how do we build so that it can be used by billions of people and everything else just works. So with zero downtime, how do you bring it into resilience? So that's what Sanketica brings as a core technology partner. When we take a shift from traditional applications to large scale platforms, challenges that we encounter are slightly different. We have to think about each and every small thing right from the beginning and engineer from it. Someone says that something is failing, I can't just go and restart the system. I should be able to have a proper detailed log about what failed without impacting other users. So we need to have that entire observability, traceability, and maybe debuggability right from the beginning engineered into the core so that they work well. And how do we minimize the downtime? Because if it's gone down for a minute or so, that's a huge impact when you are talking about large scale platforms. These are certain core principles that we look at and what we bring on board as well. And of course, with the guidance of Pramod and Siddharth, who have been part of this entire ecosystem from the beginning. Under their guidance, we engineer the systems that are built for resilience and battled for scale. At Finternet, if you see, we are re-envisioning the future of what the financial systems would look like. We are redesigning or rethinking various protocols on how they have been and how they should look like for the next decade. Every day, we start with how the existing things have been and how it should look like, what is the ease that we can bring. So that is all on the top of our mind when we think about building something. We are going to launch in 2026 where we hope a lot of things have been simplified. You may have a unified view of all of your assets which didn't exist till date. That's one, but we have a lot more packed. So yeah, if you are an engineer like me and wanted to work as at Finternet, yeah, come and join.